Bitcoin, the mother of all signals, just appeared on the total crypto market cap. Welcome back on this channel. I prepared here some news for you. Speak about the debt ceiling. We speak about the ordinals because ordinal sends LTC and Doge network activity surging for 3 straight weeks. This is what we will speak, and also about some ordinals NFTs. If you appreciate this video, hit the like button that we are reaching at least 200 likes on this video. Let's start. Total crypto market cap. If you are still think that we are not 1 year away from the bull market, then latest I will convince you in this video that we are only 1 year away from the bull market, and it's now time. If you are right now missing out on this, then you will cry in the bull market again and will buy the top and will lose all your trousers and your wife and your kids and everything. Look at this, the total crypto market cap. This is what we have to watch. We created a double bottom on the total crypto market cap. You see here we perfectly touch the previous high of the bull market 2070-2080. This is how we indicated also the bottom of the bull market on our channel, and right now it's very clear. We created a double top. Does it mean that we will see Bitcoin not anymore going down? We see only going straight up? No, obviously not, but the bottom is reached. Also smart money, take it serious. Bitcoin FOMO is gone. Portfolio managers are taking BTC seriously. The Bitcoin FOMO is gone. It's all moved over to AI, artificial intelligence. So now the institutions and the proper portfolio managers, the people that are responsible for running diversified portfolios, are now starting to take a look at Bitcoin as a serious venue. Smart money is investing right now here. It's exactly 1 year away from the halving. This is where they're investing. This is where they're dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, into altcoins. The green field represents the bull run starting with the halving. This is where all the stupid money invests. So you want to be here where the smart money investing in. We are only 321 days away from the Bitcoin halving. So exactly from this green field. So we are here right now. But how long the previous bear market lasts until we reached our bottom? The average length of a bear market is 292 days, so about 12 months. And surprise, look at this. Here we had the top, right? The top was 2021 November. When was the bottom? Surprise, November 2022. You see here perfectly. Does it mean that we will not see Bitcoin falling below 15,000? No, there is no guarantee, but the probability that we will dump below 15K is very little. And at the end, it doesn't matter if you're buying Bitcoin right now at 30K or at 18K or at 15K, because Bitcoin will be in the next bull run around 130 or even 150,000. It doesn't matter at the end. And the best is to dollar cost average right now in the market. Another clear signal beside the double bottom on the total crypto market cap, we see the market CYPHER B, this green dot. Always when this green dot appears, we see massive move to the upside. It obviously not means it happened right now, because right now Bitcoin is following exactly this blueprint. This is the midterm perspective. I will come to the short-term perspective for day and hourly traders in a second. So in midterm perspective, we could see here a cool down, or we have to see a cool down for Bitcoin. So you see 2022 till 2025, we're following perfectly the blueprint from the history. We are right now in this phase 4 parabolic and all-time high, local all-time high, and we will follow a distribution phase where we'll see a cool down of Bitcoin. The market CYPHER B on the weekly, on the total crypto market cap, perfectly indicates this phase 5, right? So this distribution, we see a red dot. Always when a red dot appears, we see market is cooling down. So what we can expect, we see here the market is cooling down. So in the midterm, we will see the market cooling down. To quickly summarize, in the big perspective, we will see Bitcoin running to the upside. So right now is the time to dollar cost averaging in the market. In the midterm perspective, we will see a cool down as you saw on the blueprint. And in the immediate short term, we are still in this symmetrical triangle, which is getting tighter and tighter. And the more tighter it's getting, the more explosive the move will be to the up or downside. We had yesterday some fake out. Doesn't matter. It's getting very tight. And when the decision is coming obviously when the US debt ceiling agreement is done. You see talks productive as Biden and McCarthy to meet 10 days from deadline. And if you watched the video yesterday, yes, they will meet and they will agree in the last days or hours before the US could go bankrupt. It will obviously not happen. And historically, what we will saw historically, I showed you yesterday in the video, we saw as soon as they agreed that they will increase the the debt ceiling, we will see S&P 500, Nasdaq, all crashing, but gold will spike up. This is when we will see the decision if Bitcoin go up or down. Historically, we saw Bitcoin dumping, but there was not a big adoption of it. Gold pumped because gold is gold. Right now, people accepting Bitcoin as digital gold, so we could see Bitcoin running to the upside as soon as they agree that they will increase the debt ceiling. Obviously, some people think Bitcoin bears will try to take advantage of the negative regulatory environment and uncertainty caused by the risk of the US Treasury running out of funds as the debt ceiling approaches. But as I told you, historically, gold pumped, and we know that people are accepting Bitcoin as digital gold already, so potentially we could see Bitcoin running to the upside. I don't know, nobody knows, but for sure clarity will bring the symmetrical triangle. In case we are breaking it down, we could Bitcoin trade to a level of 24,800. 24,800 because of the VRVP, because volume is coming in at 24,800 approximately. In case we are breaking the symmetrical triangle to the upside, you could set a long position to 30k, 10% long opportunity. So these are the potential movement in the immediate short term. Also watch out for the Bitcoin shorts. You see a lot of shorts right now in the market, but I want to see a lot more shorts going into the market, because what the market maker does, they liquidate all the shorts usually. You see here, always when spikes up, when all the people thinking, oh, we are going down, the market maker fucking them with Bitcoin spiking to the upside. So watch out for this. If we see a spike in the Bitcoin shorts to the upside, then we can expect that Bitcoin will move to the upside because the market maker will liquidate all the shorts. The next days, as soon as the agreement on debt ceiling is there, we will see a breakout or breakdown of the symmetrical triangle. This way we can set a long or a short position. You can take a short or a long position on Bitflex or on Bybit. On Bitflex, there's no KYC needed. Just click the link and make your registration. On Bybit, you get at the moment a free $1,000 long or short position. Just click the link. And as always, if you want to have more information which altcoins I'm investing right now in this year, where we have time to invest in the market in dollar cost averaging to take advantage of the bull market 2023-2024, you can check out the Telegram group. We are only 60 people inside of this group. I share with you my portfolio, which I'm building throughout this year. It's all not a financial advice. It's also can go to zero. I hope not, but nobody knows. But it's more like what I'm doing, and you have to decide what you are doing. I have some crypto insider knowledge, but it's also not a confirmation that it will 100% work out. The probability is obviously higher. Bitcoin is not about certainties. Bitcoin is about probabilities. So if you have any questions, write me down below in the comments. I know some people asked about XRP. I have to do some research about XRP before I will do a video for you on it. If you have more questions, write down below. I try to answer nearly every question. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later.